Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be going over the use of args and kwargs. First of all, what are args and kwargs? Args and kwargs are predominantly used for functions. They're used to send any number of arguments to a function, but you don't need to specify how many arguments there will be. The difference between args and kwargs is that kwargs are key-worded. Args are displayed with one asterisk before the name and kwargs have two. Now how to use args and kwargs. My first example is a function called args. We receive a parameter, one just being a regular variable and the other being an arg. So it will receive all the other arguments sent to the function. My code will show this by printing the first argument in arg1 and any others it will print using this for loop. This for loop will run through every value in our arg, set it to the variable values and then print it. Next is our use of kwargs. This is a very similar method. We create a function that is looking to receive kwargs. The line that calls the functions, you can see that the parameters have a key along with them and a value. The first example being the key, name, and value, Sam, and so on. The kwarg will receive all these arguments and then print them out using kwargs.item to split the key and the value apart and assign them to separate variables. Make sure to take a moment to fully understand these examples and how args and kwargs are used here. Now what if we use kwargs and args during the calling of a function? First off, we have a function that will print out the 5 parameters it will receive. So before we call the function, we need to format the arg. This is the format. Normal brackets with all the values, either integers or strings in it. Then next we can just call it with the arg. This will print out and assign all the values in order they came through. Now onto the kwargs. The exact same function is being used this time, except the functions are all modelled up. This is where the key is used in kwargs and can find it very helpful. We format a kwarg with curly brackets and it's key:value. When calling the function, it will go through all the keys and identify them with the names of the parameters for the function and match them up. So first of all, arg2 key will be assigned to the arg2 variable. This is very helpful if you have an unordered list that needs to be assigned to the correct variables. I hope this has all made sense and make sure to take another moment just to understand everything that is going on here. So these are the results from the program. You can see everything is how we would expect. But that is it for today's video. I hope you have learned something new this video, and if you have any questions, please type them in the comments and I will reply to them. Thank you very much for watching.